Welcome to Machines Tech. Today we have some lucky lumberjacks. Their experience is an important reminder of the need to be careful at work. Good luck, let's get started. Oh, that was a technical error. Luckily not much damage. He was reckless, a little more inaccurate, and it would have been a disaster. If you don't know how to cook, don't do these dangerous jobs. Luckily for him, he ran very fast and nothing happened. It's awesome. The way they approach tree felling is a masterclass in safety and efficiency. Talking about a challenge, cutting down multiple trees at once is not an easy challenge, but oh my god, his wrong decision of cutting the tree in the wrong direction destroyed a house. Luckily no one was there. Now it will cost more money to fix it. Very good job. Very safe. They tied the fork to pull the tree to avoid falling into the house. People often underestimate the weight of the tree. Cutting down a big tree near the house requires skill and expertise to guess its direction to avoid falling into the house. Luckily it didn't fall into the house, but into the fence. It is an amazing feat to cut down a giant tree that has lived for many years. It is not a small task. Can you guess how long it took him to cut down this huge tree? Leave a comment below and watch the video with us. There is a real art to felling trees that is more than just brute force. It is about understanding the wood grain, the wind, and the terrain. The logger's cuts are like the strokes of an artist creating his masterpiece. This tree fell in a big storm a few weeks ago, and we were called in to remove it for a customer and use it for firewood. A burnt cedar tree can be a monster to deal with, especially when leaning towards the ladder with clever thinking and precise straight cuts. The lumberjack saw gradually takes down this monster. The extraordinary warrior with truly amazing superior skills, he cut down a large, long-lived tree in front of his house and hit it in the right direction without it falling on the house. The sound of the tree falling sounded like thunder. It is truly satisfying to witness the felling of a large tree. They are so large that it's difficult to know exactly where to start to ensure safety. It requires skill and knowledge to do it properly. Oh, just when you think everything is fine, say no so fast. Nature really knows how to keep things too fast and too dangerous. The house was destroyed. The trees were covered with snow, which made it difficult for the lumberjack, but he did a good job. Alluring beauty combined with powerful work gives a unique charm, is definitely one of the biggest dangers out there. It serves as a reminder to not only pay attention to the branches and treetops, but also other potential dangers. It's scary to stand under a huge tree without any protection. It's like gambling with your own safety. holding a chainsaw at a height that makes me shiver and cold. The tractor saved the house from disaster. The perfect moment of watching that tree land in exactly that place is said to speak of skill and precision. This is the image of efficient logging, smoothly exploited with a small chainsaw he has brought down the tree. Cutting a pine tree with a chainsaw is both an art and a science. I can't believe they cut down such a huge tree with just a tiny saw. He tried every way to cut the tree into pieces, using a hammer to make it release, then using a saw to cut the remaining parts. Finally, he brought it down. I never realized how fragile the balance of nature is. One tree falls, and the whole forest feels the impact. The way he sawed the big tree, and then used a hammer to hit it out onto the road, shows that he's a very strong person who can saw the big tree into small pieces. Killing two birds with one stone looks easy, but I know it's a very difficult job. This guy knows what he's doing, knows how to wedge in the right place, swings the hammer hard a few times, and that giant is going down exactly where he aimed, expert level.
Could be so efficient and beautiful. This two-in-one method takes tree felling to the next level. That guy is a little tool with big power. Every successful tree felling job starts with a solid plan, and he does his job well.
Several trees fell at once. That guy is a tree felling wizard, and it's impossible to improvise cutting down in that direction. It's called a job. The sight alone gives me the shivers, and swinging that saw at that height is terrifying to think about.
山火过后，大片的林木需要清理，这时候伐木工就派上用场。他们得尽快地干，因为有太多的地方需要清理。
Every lumberjack knows this beast all too well. It is the ultimate test of skill and courage, and it is a testament to his expertise that he can handle a job like the same pit.